In this video, I will show you how to connect Apollo.io to Pipedrive. To do this, go to open up Apollo.io and go to Admin Settings here in the bottom left. Then click Integrations. Here you will find all the available integrations. Now they recently added Pipedrive. As you can see, it's currently new. Now they have a bidirectional sync and database of over 200 million business contacts that makes Pipedrive great at outbound and inbound. So next to Pipedrive, go and click Connect and then click Yes, Continue. That will redirect you to Pipedrive. Here just sign into your account and click on Login right here. And from there it will say this app will be added to the following company and user and what it will have access to. Click Allow and Install. It then installs Apollo.io and integrates it with your Pipedrive account. Now from there it is connected. You can actually start using it. So here you can select the Pipedrive contact status field to sync with Apollo stages. And you can basically sync everything right here by mapping every stage. And after doing that, click Save. You then also have your accounts right here. You have authentication and error logs. So we've now integrated Pipedrive with Apollo. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.